This is a 2012 Harley Davidson Road King Classic. The color of this Road King Classic is vivid black with gray pinstriping. This is a very retro styled Harley. It is equipped with a 103 cubic inch engine, 6-speed transmission. It's a low mileage bike for a 2012. It has 24,120 original miles on the odometer. This bike has been very well cared for and is highly accessorized. It really needs nothing but a rider and you can head out on your next road trip. One of the nice styling cues that come on the Road King Classic are the hard saddlebags that are leather covered. The buckles have a quick release on them. It also has the matching saddlebag guard bags so you can stow a little more gear. The seat's in excellent condition. It has a detachable passenger backrest and also the detachable Harley Davidson chrome luggage rack. The Harley Smart Security System is included on this bike. It has 2 keys, 2 key fobs, ABS brakes, cruise control, has a detachable windshield with the matching windshield bag. A couple of nice options that have been added to this Road King Classic are the Harley Davidson Garmin Zumo GPS unit, and then attached to that is a cell phone holder. Chrome engine guard with Harley Davidson highway pegs. Bike's in really great condition. Paint looks good. It runs very strong. Also, a 12-volt power point has been added to the handlebars right here. So you could actually set your phone there, run your cord over to the power point, keep it charged up. Being the classic model, it has the spoke wheels and the wide white walls to give it that great retro look. Harley Davidson chrome shrouds have been added to the headlight, the driving lights, and the front turn signals. Now the tires have about 2,000 miles on them since they've been replaced, so they've got a lot of life left in them. It is equipped from the factory with the oil cooler. Here's the matching saddlebag guard bag. The intake is stock on this bike, as is the exhaust system. So a person can either leave it the way it is and just ride the tires off it, or you have the option to put your own intake and your own exhaust system on it. you're in the market for a new touring bike, you don't have a barrel full of money to throw down on it, take a really good look at this 2012 Road King Classic. It is set up for the highway, and it is priced very, very reasonable. The miles are good on it. Fluids have been changed regular. The tires are in great shape. Just a real good, honest bike for a real honest price. For information on how to put this Road King Classic in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. It can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.